Hi, today in front of me Xiaomi 13 Lite, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes without a device help. So just to do that, we should open the control panel, and if you don't see here the scanner QR codes you should click here to this edit icon and find here the scanner. Just click to this plus to edit to your panel, click to done, and now just let's tap to the scanner, click agree while using the app, and now we should place the QR code inside of this frame. So let's just do this. Wait a second, and now we can see here that says the link for this QR code. So just tap to accept, open it, and we can see that this is the Wikipedia article. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.